Hi everyone, welcome to Rahul and Jayashree Associates and Company. This is a law firm. We also prepare students for SSC, banking, any legal exams, whatever you want to prepare. 10 classes are free as a demo and we provide at affordable cost. So if you are interested, you can contact me by a comment box. And in the description box, you have all links, you can join the groups. So today's topic is intellectual property rights. So what is an intellectual property rights? First, you should ask yourself this question. And one thing, watch the video till the end so that you understand everything, as because this is very important topic in law. Intellectual property rights, as the name suggests, intellect means you have certain things which you have discovered that may be in the form of your view. That is called what? Suppose you have discovered some knowledge by reading something. That is your knowledge. You will protect that thing by the help of copyright. Means no one can copy your content. This is intellectual. Means this is your intellect. This is your knowledge. This is your information. Okay. So this is about intellectual. What do you understand by intellectual? Describe in the comment box. So you have to protect your intellect. You have discovered, you have to protect by a copyright. If you have discovered, suppose a logo, that also you have to protect that, as because somebody will copy that logo and make their logo out of that. So these all things are known as intellectual property rights, as because you need to protect your information, you need to protect your everything that is your property. You are getting information from there. So intellectual property rights is a condition, is a term that will be formed in that agreement, which will, when it will come into force, it will become a contract. So in intellectual property rights, you can say it is a type of agreement you are entering with the person with whom you are sharing information. Suppose medicine is discovered. So medicine is what? It is having its protection. You cannot copy that medicine. If you want to do something, you have to take permission from that company, so that we are getting generic medicines depending upon that thing. So these all things are there in intellectual property rights. So it is an agreement which is happening between two person or organization to protect its property, that is intellectuals, their information, their trademark, their copyright. These are all linked to intellectual property rights. So many companies they protect their, you can say, property by the help of intellectual property rights. These are all agreements are done with different companies, so that these data are not stolen, they are not misused, and they are not violated. So ownership of intellectual property rights are what? Assets. It means they are linked to their property, and you can say that intellectual property rights act as a license, so that how the other person can use them. You have discovered something, what will you do? You will patent it. Patent means you are claiming right over that. It is your discovery. So that is known as intellectual property rights. So business owners do intellectual property agreements. Entrepreneurs does. So they should be aware about intellectual property ownership which guard them. So it is an intellectual property rights series. We will bring more lectures to complete this intellectual property agreements. So follow me, subscribe, share and like. I need your support. You like the videos. So different type of intellectual property rights are there. In coming lectures more we will learn about them, and there are provisions about parties, how they guarantee to a contract. So they are taking what measures to negotiate intellectual property right agreements, so that they safeguards their right, so that no one copy them, no one takes their rights. So what is happening is that owners, entrepreneurs, they are protecting their hard work, and if anybody violate the agreement, they have to compensate the person whose right they have violated. So they are safeguarding their trademark, they are safeguarding their copyright, patent. So these are all different business terms. So we will do these all things in detail. So thank you for listening and watching. This is an introduction video of intellectual property rights. You follow me so that we complete more. So thank you for listening and watching. Take care. Bye bye.